Welcome back, car guys, on my new video. Today I have made Mahindra Scorpio N. Let's start making. This is foam sheet, using it for the very first time. First, we're going to make template. Much easier to cut than cardboard. Adding one more panel for that perfect shape. Let's make the hood. Now we're working on the face of the car. Already looking good, what do you say? Some parts for structural integrity here. Using black acrylic paint for the base. The dashboard. And a center console also. I have made the seats from the same foam sheet and painted them. After installing, they look so good. Finally finished installing roof. Did some taping before paint to protect the interior. I have used gloss black spray paint for this car. The wheels turned out so good. We're about to complete this one, but please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. These builds take a lot of time and hard work to complete one. Like for our video motivates me a lot. Making taillights from paper. Same process for the headlights. Hope you guys like the final shots. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay artistic and enjoy the cinematics.